Today, I'm sharing with you guys how to go ahead and cut talking head clips or auto remove silences in your videos using just Adobe Premiere. No third-party plugins needed. If you have Premiere, then you have this feature. So as to not waste any time, let's go ahead and jump straight into Adobe Premiere. Okay, step number one is transcribing your sequence. Now you can go ahead and just go over here to the text tab, go ahead and create a transcription. You'll have a transcribe button here, or you guys can go create a transcribe sequence by clicking over here. I'm gonna go ahead and click this. But if you guys want to go ahead and just have this process automatically kind of take place without you having to do so yourself, all you have to do is go to Premiere, go to Settings, go over here to Media Analysis and Transcription, and click Automatically Transcribe Clips. Now, me personally, I'm not going to go ahead and collect that because I don't want it to do that every single time. I want to do it when I want to go ahead and cut up clips, essentially. So I'm going to go back to the Text tab, click Generate Text-Based Editing Transcript, and then it'll go ahead and do so. Now, we're going to go over here and we're going to go click this filter icon, click Pauses, and it's going to go ahead and select all of the pauses. Now, before you go ahead and do so or do anything, go to transcript view options down here, click this, and I like my preference set to 0.15 seconds. This is all personal preference, but I found 0.15 seconds is pretty solid. So go ahead and hit save. Now we're gonna go over here and click delete all. Okay, so now that we went ahead and deleted everything, you guys are gonna go ahead and see all of the cut marks. And this is the part where you wanna go ahead, go back, keep what you want, and then delete the stuff that you don't want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, obviously delete all this stuff. Here's a life update. So as you guys can tell, go ahead and just cut right there. But anyways, that is exactly how you guys cut up your footage very quickly, or at least remove all of these silences. And honestly, to me, it saves a lot of time, especially when you kind of got a lot of videos to do, or if you're just trying to save time and edit less and make more, earn more, yada yada, whatever that jargon is. But anyways, if this video was helpful, please subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And we're so close to 50,000 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, it'd be lit. If you subbed, it'd be goated. But anyways, that's it for me today. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.